Hi, welcome back. This is Patty. Today I'm in the editor and we are going to be talking about the LinkedIn app. It's another one of our social media apps. Again, I'm in the editor and you'll notice that I have a cloud background because everything is up in the cloud. We are going to go to our LinkedIn under our apps. I'm going to click on that and it's going to bring up a call out just like we did on Facebook. Now you can go to the plus button here and add your LinkedIn account. My LinkedIn account is already added, but it's going to ask your permissions to do that. Okay, just allow it. And I would say you probably want to log into your LinkedIn account while you look for permission. Okay, so I'm going to select my LinkedIn account here. And I'm going to want to show messages I want from the Cairo channel. The Cairo channel is a subsidiary of Realize Displays. So we want to show messages that are all rotating. They're all recent and they're rotating in. And I want them to be no longer than 7 days old. And I'm going to take my messages down to about 8. I don't post as much on LinkedIn. We have a choice of style. We can do a call out like we did here, or we can do a Polaroid. And you'll notice there comes my post that I made. And it also comes up with the picture that I posted. I can do a social wall. It's going to show up my post and my picture. And when I go back to my call out here, it's just not going to show my picture. It's just going to show my post. So you have a choice of what you want. You can also increase or decrease the sizes just by using the handles on the right-hand side. So you can skip this page when this app is empty by check marking the box there. So if you don't have a post from that day, then this whole slide is not going to show up in your display. You can add animation to it if you would like. Otherwise, that's pretty much all you need to do to set up your LinkedIn account. So stay tuned for additional app features.